Are you experiencing Amazon Fire Stick error code 406? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the Fire Stick device. The 406 error code on a Fire Stick typically indicates a compatibility issue between the device and the content or service being accessed. The 406 not acceptable error occurs when the Fire Stick requests content in a format that the server cannot provide. This is often due to compatibility issues between the device and the content provider. You can restart the Fire Stick device to fix temporary glitches and bugs. Keep the Fire Stick unplugged for a few minutes, then plug it back again and check. Method 2. Check your internet speed. You can check your internet speed using websites like speedtest.net from your mobile or PC. You can also run a speed test from Fire Stick. Open Settings from Fire TV Stick Home. Now, select Network. Next, select your preferred Wi-Fi network and press the play or pause button on your remote. Now, run a speed test and ensure high-speed internet connectivity. If it's not connected, reconnect it immediately. Slow internet speeds can also trigger error codes, so you can restart your router or modem. Turn off the router, wait for 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can help resolve any temporary issues with the router. Use an Ethernet adapter to connect your Fire Stick directly to your router, which can provide more stable connectivity. Method 3. Update Fire Stick firmware. Ensure your Fire Stick are running the latest versions. This can resolve compatibility issues. Go to Settings and select My Fire TV and select About. Now, check for updates on your Fire TV. After that, you can update your Fire TV to the latest version. Follow as shown. Once done, the issue might be resolved. Method 4. Update the app. Ensure your Fire Stick device is running the latest software version. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can resolve issues like this. Here is how you can update an app on Fire Stick. Update Fire Stick apps manually. From home screen, find the app. Press the 3 bars icon on the remote and hold it down for few seconds. At the bottom, you should see More Info option appearing. Select that. This should load up the app page. If any update button is available, select that to update the app. Update Fire Stick apps automatically. Go to Settings, then select Applications. Next, select App Store. If the automatic updates option is turned off, turn it on. Method 5. Uninstall and reinstall the problematic app. If the methods shown don't work, try uninstalling the app, then reinstalling it from the Amazon App Store. You can also go to Settings on your Fire TV device. Select Applications. Select Manage Installed Applications. Select the app you want to uninstall and then uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions. Install the app again and see if the error persists this time. Method 6. Contact content provider. If the issue persists, the problem may be on the content provider's end. Contact the channel or app's support for further assistance. You can check the app's support page from Google and seek professional help to resolve the issue. Method 7. Factory Reset Fire Stick. If none of the methods work to fix the error, you may need to perform a factory reset on your Fire TV stick. This will erase all your settings and installed apps. So be sure to back up any important data first. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV, then reset to factory defaults to perform the reset. And there you have it, the ways to fix Amazon Fire Stick error code 406. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.